Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. You can scroll down to actually very bottom. So let's tap on additional settings and enter the first option, which is language and region. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of the languages which we've previously added. We've got Spanish also and Russian. Before, or maybe not before, in order to add the language, just tap on this option here, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do, of course, is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick maybe, I don't know, maybe Vietnamese or Turkish. Let's tap on Turkish. In my case, of course, and as you can see, it actually immediately appears on this list. So in order to set it as a main language, because as you can see we still have English as a main one, we have to tap on it and hold it, and now we can simply change the position of it, and the main language is always at the very top of the list. So let's switch it here and wait a second. As you can see, your device will ask you actually if you really want to change the system language to Turkish in my case. So let me tap on it, and as you can see, within a second, the whole system and the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Now let me show you how to change the language again, because I'm not really good at Turkish. So let's tap on English and hold it, drag it to the first position, confirm, and as you can see, we've got the whole system in English language. So this is how to change the language, how to add the language to this list. And of course, sometimes you do not really want to have plenty of languages added here. So all you have to do in order to remove the languages is to simply tap on this two dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on edit. And right now, we can simply mark the languages which we would like to remove, and simply tap on delete here. As you can see, we've got only English left, so it means that we can only apply English right now. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.